Assalamu alaikum, Huzur.
Islam.
My name is Jaheem Thomas. I'm from Philadelphia, Jamaat, and I signed Bayat in 2020.
Acha.
Yeah, since then, my life's completely changed. I've been married. I have a kid. My wife is Ahmadiyyat as well. And
MashaAllah.
I just reap many blessings from Ahmadiyyat.
Allah Ta'ala bless you.
I was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York. I accepted Ahmadiyyat in March 19, 2022. How I got there was just me being curious and me being a truth seeker all my life, so alhamdulillah.
So,
Glad to see you.
can you read the Quran?
I'm currently halfway.
You have memorized Surah Fatiha, the first
Yes.
chapter, and you know the meaning of it?
Yes,
Yes, that is very important.
alhamdulillah, yes.
I came from Orlando Mosque and I'm ready to take bayat, and I was wondering if there's chance to take with you, it would be such a blessing.
You want to do Baiat?
Ji.
Will you be here for some time?
Ji.
For the next few days?
I leave tomorrow evening.
You are leaving tomorrow.
Ji.
So you can do Baiat tomorrow morning. Okay?
Inshallah, thank you.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship except Allah. He is one and has no partner. And I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his servant and messenger. I enter this day the Ahmadiyyat Jamaat in Islam at the hand of Masroor.
In that moment, I just felt it was just me and Huzur, and I was reciting the words from my heart. Allah has guided me on this journey and has blessed me with the opportunity to meet Huzur, to be in the same room as Huzur, let alone to take bayat with Huzur and to hold his hand.
Sometimes I feel like it's a dream. I feel joy in my heart, in my soul. And there is something that not even dream. It's something I want to keep this moment forever. I want to keep every one of you, your faces, how happy you are, sharing the happiness that I'm feeling right now. And that's the wonderful part in this ceremony.
Renew your passion and your energy towards this beautiful faith, and and just learning about Khilafat is, I feel like, what fuels that, and to do it at the hands of our blessed Khalifa of the time just made it even more surreal.
तू आए तो हम तुझको सराखों पे बिठाए, जान नज़र में दे तुझको, तुझे दिल में बसाए. Muhammad, Muhammad, Muhammadur Rasulullah, 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 Muhammadur Rasulullah.